The Hiligaynon particle, PWEDI. The Hiligaynon particle, PWEDI, is used similarly to its Filipino counterpart, indicating possibility, permission, or ability. Here are its definitions and example sentences. The first definition is that it can be used to refer to possibility. It indicates that something is possible or can happen. Number two is that it is used to ask for or give permission. And number three is that it indicates the capability or ability to do something. The first one here is possibility, indicates that something is possible or can happen. Pwede bala kita maglakat sa plaza subong nga hapon? Is it possible for us to walk to the plaza this afternoon? So pwede is like, yeah, is it possible? Lakat is to walk. And then subong nga hapon is this afternoon. Subong is now and then hapon is afternoon. Pwede bala kita makalakat sa plaza subong nga hapon? Pwede ikaw mag-upod sa akon buwas? Can you or you can possibly join me tomorrow? Yep, that pwede. And then ikaw is you. Upod is to like join. Akon is like me. And then buwas is tomorrow. Pwede ikaw mag-upod sa akon buwas. Next one is pwede bala mag-ulan karon? It means could it possibly rain later? Ulan is rain and karon is later. Pwede bala nga mag-abot si nanay buwas? Is it possible that mother will arrive tomorrow? So abot is arrive and then nanay is mother and then buwas is tomorrow. Pwede bala nga mag-abot si nanay buwas? Pwede bala nga magluto kita sang pansit? So is it possible for us to cook pansit? When we say luto, that means cook, and then pansit is a dish. The second definition or use of the Hiligaynon word pwede is that it is also used to ask for or give permission. Pwede bala ako maghulam sang lapis mo? So is it possible for me? Or may I borrow your pencil? So hulam, that's borrow, and then a lapis is a pencil. Pwede bala ako maghulam sang lapis mo? Pwede bala ako makagwa anay to go out? So is it okay if I step out for a moment or if I go out for a moment? To gwa means to go out or to step out, and then anay is like for a moment or for a second. Pwede bala ako makagwa anay? Pwede ko bala gamiton ang telepono mo? So may I use your phone or can I use your phone? At telepono is a telephone, but it can also mean like a cellular phone. Gamit means to use. Pwede ko bala gamiton ang telepono mo? Pwede bala kita magkaon diri? So is it allowed to eat here? So kaon is eat, and then here, that's diri. Pwede bala kita magkaon diri? Pwede bala kami maghampang sa inyo og saran? May we play in your yard or in your backyard? Pwede bala kami maghampang sa inyo og saran? Another definition or use of the Hiligaynon word pwede is that it indicates the capability or ability to do something. Pwede ako magluto sang manamit nga sinigang. So I can cook delicious sinigang. Luto means to cook. Manamit is delicious and sinigang is a dish. Pwede ako magluto sang manamit nga sinigang. Next one is pwede siya magbasa sang libro sa Hiligaynon. He or she can read a book in Hiligaynon. So siya is gender neutral. So it's either a he or a she. A libro is a book, and then Hiligaynon is the language. Pwede siya magbasa sang libro sa Hiligaynon. Pwede sila magsaot sang tinikling. They can dance tinikling. Saot means to dance, and tinikling is the name of the dance. Pwede sila magsaot sang tinikling. Pwede ikaw magsulat sang sulat sa Hiligaynon. So you can write a letter in Hiligaynon. When we say magsulat, that means to write, and then a sulat is a letter, and Hiligaynon is the language. So pwede ikaw magsulat sang sulat sa Hiligaynon. Pwede namon tapuson ang proyekto subong nga adlaw. So we can finish the project today. Tapuson means to end, and the proyekto is a project. Subong is now or today, and then adlaw is the day. So, pwede namon tapuson ang proyekto subong nga adlaw. And that is all about this video regarding the Hiligaynon particle pwede.